ELKA History is the leading cable manufacturing company in Central Europe. It was founded in 1927 after moving machinery from the Hungarian town of Nagybecskérek. ELKA History started with 72 employees and an 80-ton production capacity. With the introduction of new technologies in 1940, ELKA started using aluminium conductors in the manufacture of power cables. By 1947, its range of products extended to enameled wires and rubber-insulated shipboard cables with lead sheaths. In 1951, ELKA production of low-voltage conductors and cables was enhanced by the introduction of new thermoplastic insulation materials. In 1966, ELKA manufactured the first 10 kilovolt PVC insulated power cable with aluminium conductor. Several years later, in 1970, ELKA moved from its plant on Marticheva Street to the industrial zone in Žiteník, where the production of thermoplastic insulated telecommunications cables began. 1972 witnessed the opening of a continuous vulcanization process line, thus initiating the production of low and medium voltage cross-linked polyurethane insulated cables. ELKA was the first plant in this part of Europe to manufacture optical fiber cables in 1988. It also supplemented its production with fire-resistant and flame-retardant shipboard cables. In 2003, ELKA and Končar, a manufacturer of distribution and special-purpose transformers, jointly established ELKACON to produce industrial conductors. In 2004, ELKA developed a new generation of XDSL telecommunication cables with improved transmission characteristics. A medium voltage 20 kilovolt cable with power transmission optimization capabilities was manufactured in 2005. 1 year later, another self-supporting medium voltage cable suitable for underground, surface and underwater installation was produced, and a new generation of flame-retardant and fire-resistant shipboard cables was developed. In addition, ABC cables with communication pair that enables remote communication with electrical meters was designed in 2007. In late 2009, ELKA completed a new facility for the production of medium and high voltage power cables. The new 138-meter-long plant is situated next to the eastern side of the Elastomer facility and covers an area of 1,830 square meters. Its roof has been built on 2 levels, 7 meters and 12 meters respectively, due to the 2 levels of catenaries of cross-linking tubes. The CV line is designed for the insulation of medium and high voltage power cables from 10 to 110 kilovolts by a 3-layer cross-head injection of insulation coatings. Continuous cross-linking is carried out by a dry nitrogen process in a vulcanization tube pressurized to 16 bars at a temperature of 530 centigrade. The 152.5 meter long line is mounted on 4 levels in a 20-meter high tower. The cross-linking tube is 130 meters long. The line is used for the insulation of cables with a maximum diameter of 85 millimeters across the insulation and cross-section between 25 and 800 square millimeters for copper conductors, or 1,200 square millimeters for aluminium conductors. The core of the CV line is on the 2nd level, where 3 extruders with triple crossheads, the beginning of the cross-linking tube, and information, control, measuring, and regulation units are located. The maximum operating speed is 45 meters per minute, or to be more precise, if all 3 extruders are running, 500 kilograms of insulated material can be processed per hour. The screening machine is positioned parallel to the CV line. The machine is used for screening medium voltage and high voltage power cables with a maximum diameter of 125 millimeters at the rate of 60 meters per minute. In a single pass, it is possible to produce a screen with 108 wires wrapped with 6 bands. The machine may be used with reels with maximum diameter of 3.2 meters and maximum weight of 15 tons. In addition to the conductor screening, the machine can be used for the stranding of signaling cables of up to 19 wires in a single pass, or armored cables with 36 steel wires. The copper wire drawing machine is located in the conductor's hall. The machine is used for multi-wire drawing of a maximum of 7 bare or tin copper wires of 0.5 to 1.2 millimeters diameter per spool. Copper wires drawn in such a way are used in cable screening and for conductor manufacturing purposes. Maximum output capacity is 1,500 kilograms of wire per hour. The equipment in the plant enables the production of 7,000 ton of medium and high voltage power cables annually. The use of XLPE insulated high voltage cables continues to increase in densely populated areas and in large cities due to their various advantages. Today, ELKA has 430 employees and operates at 2 locations, the central plant in Zagreb and another facility in Zadar. Annual output capacities support a production of 30,000 tons of finished products. ELKA Kabeli is a socially responsible company that complies with the highest environmental protection standards. At the same time, it is committed to the development, design, production and supply of its products based on internationally recognized quality standards. ELKA's vision is to maintain its leading position in the cable industry in this part of Europe. To reach this goal, to expand the range of products and production capacity, and to introduce state-of-the-art technology, ELKA has decided to move its facilities from Žitnjak to a new location near Zagreb. This decision will certainly result in the development of new high-quality products, market expansion, and acquiring new partners.